Welcome to Fortigate Advanced Configuration course. In this course, we will deep dive into Fortigate configuration, and we will use infrastructure as code to deploy our Fortigate cluster on AWS. And then we're gonna go ahead and connect our data center to our AWS cloud so we can build our first hybrid cloud solution using Fortigate firewall. We will also learn how to route traffic using dynamic routing protocol such as OSPF, and build advanced routing policies using policy-based routing. We'll also learn how to configure Bastion host with Fortigate. We can learn how to utilize port forwarding, and we will learn how to schedule and update our Fortiguard services. And then we will dive into different implementation for Fortigate using single sign-on services, web proxy implementation, SNMP, and syslog solution. Finally, we will focus on web applications and public services so we can use the Fortigate to load balance our traffic or perform health checks on our backend servers. And then we will also build IPv6 enabled web servers and protect it using services like DDoS protection or intrusion prevention system. And next, we will learn how to prioritize and throttle network traffic using Fortigate traffic shaping. Finally, we will learn how to control our traffic using application and offload SSL traffic so we can inspect and peek into encrypted traffic while maintaining security and data integrity. So join me in this course if you are looking to learn and advance your Fortigate configuration. Thank you for watching.